So we got this new interesting electronic brush for golf clubs. Comes with like 2 buttons here. One is the power button, and then this button here actually squirts out water. So if you click it, the thing goes. Really clean. Pretty cool idea. I've never seen anything like this before. Comes with 2 of these too, so if it goes bad, you can come with another one. And then this guy here actually squirts out water too while you do it. Look at that. Make it nice and clean. What I really like about it too, it has this like carabiner, so it's easy to attach to your bag. And then it just requires a little bit of plug-in. I've charged it once, I've used it many times, and it still works pretty nice.
And the brand sent it to us to test out, to kind of test the quality, and we are very impressed with it. Has a lot of power, gets the job done, and easy to transport.